Kiara has not joined. Kia Cars.
Oh.
छोटी हो गई है तो बहुत पूरी फटी गया. So where are the kids I got in the last class?
Beta, ma'am has added them. Kia, start your camera. So Mahi, Kush, Nike, Mr. Bedi, Kia. Kia joined late. Others, send your answer.
Sir, I can't understand.
Kush, it's wrong. Nike cannot understand. ठीक है.
Sir, I can also not understand.
Chalo, then I am explaining. So first of all, guys, those who cannot understand, I will talk to Nike. I will talk to Nike first of all. So Nike, can you divide 8 with 3? Yes or no?
Sir, yes.
So what will I write at the top and what will I write below?
Sir, at the bottom you will write 6 and on the top 2.
So I will write 2 and 6. It's correct. फिर my remainder is 2. इसके बाद क्या होगा Nike?
Sir, 7 will drop down.
And who will save 7? This 2 will save 7. Now what will I write at the top and what will I write at the bottom?
Sir, you will write 9 at the top and 27 at the bottom.
Correct. Now what will I
Sir,
write
I
at the
know the
bottom?
answer. Sir,
Beta, don't speak in between. Yes. So what will I write at the top and what will I write at the bottom?
sir, at the bottom 6 and at the top 2.
Correct.
Sir, it is a kids question.
Yes. Mira, Agu, Jimmy, Dogfish get a kids.
Yeah, let's go.
समझ में आया नाइकी शूज? नाइकी, मिस्टर बेदी, कुश, माही, होप समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 789 divided by 5.
Sir, after this, can you give easy oral?
No, beta. Why will we do easy questions? We are brave, strong kids. We will do only tough questions.
Sir, I sent to you accidentally the question. Sir, can I go to wash the room? Sir,
Yes.
can I go to the wash? Time's up.
Yes, beta. If your answer is correct, you can go.
It is correct. Percent. Oh, Chagra got it all wrong.
So, Nike, beta, can you show me your work? Nike and Hope, can you show me your work? किया आप आंसर भेजो. Very good, किया कार्ड्स.
Sir, can this be a kids question? Yes, sir.
No, बेटा, no. बेटा
Ma'am?
दिखाओ दिखाओ. Hope I am seeing. मुझे दिखाओ. दिख रहा है
सर
मुझे.
मैंने
Very
गलती
good.
से 5 की जगह पे 9 लिख दिया। सर मैं मतलब
Okay,
9 की
Hope.
जगह पे 5
I
लिख
got your mistake.
सर
Hope
मैंने
आपका
9 की जगह
रिमाइंडर 28 आया ना, तो आपको 28 को डिवाइड करना है. 8 को
ओके
डिवाइड नहीं करना. आपने 8 को डिवाइड कर दिया.
ओके
यू आर म्यूट. आपको 28 को डिवाइड करना है.
ओके सर माय रिमाइंडर इज 210।
नो बेटा, वो नहीं. फर्स्ट स्टेप में जब आपका 5 आया, देन रिमाइंडर 2 आया, 8 ने 2 को ज्वाइन किया, आपने 8 को डिवाइड कर दिया 5 से, बट आपको पूरे 28 को डिवाइड करना.
ओ या
करो, करेक्ट करो मिस्टेक. मिस्टेक करेक्ट करो. नाइकी शूज अपना वर्क दिखाओ मुझे.
सर
यस, एक मिनट बेटा, मैं देख लू. नाइकी मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. थोड़ा सा टू योर लेफ्ट एंड डाउन, लेफ्ट एंड अप, लेफ्ट एंड अप, अप 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 अप. और लेफ्ट चाहिए मुझे. डिज्नी प्रिंसेस और लेफ्ट बेटा, और लेफ्ट, मोर लेफ्ट, मोर लेफ्ट. आप ओरली कर रहे हो ये तो आपने डिवीजन किया ही नहीं है, ये तो मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
सर मैंने आपको वो भेज दिया क्वेश्चन।
बेटा मैम इज चेकिंग, मैम को भेज दो आप। नाइकी मुझे तो दिखा ही नहीं आपका क्वेश्चन। चलो नेवर माइंड नाइकी, आप कुछ मुझे मत भेजो, मैडम को भेजो। नेक्स्ट कौन है? बट योर क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट। और किसका गलत हुआ है? मिस्टर बेदी और कुश का।
मैंने
मिस्टर बेदी,
रिमाइंडर भी भेज दिया।
कुश ने तो करेक्ट कर लिया। मिस्टर बेदी आप भी अपनी दिखा दो नोटबुक।
सर रिमाइंडर चेक कर
और
दो।
पास लेकर आओ बेटा, थोड़ा सा पास और पास, बस बस ठीक है। 1 2 8 5 जा 25 3, वेरी गुड। ओए आपने 9 को 3 का फ्रेंड नहीं बनाया, 9 को 3 के पास आना था बेटा, वहां से मिस्टेक स्टार्ट हो गई। तो 5 जा 25, यहाँ तक ठीक हो गया मिस्टर बेदी। देन 3 आया, ये भी ठीक है। नाउ 9 विल बिकम फ्रेंड ऑफ 3। 9, 3 और 9 फ्रेंडशिप कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज 9 को गिरने से कौन बचाता है? 3 बचाता है। तो अब मुझे 39 को डिवाइड करना है। सो 5 7s आर 35। सो आई विल यूज 7 एट द टॉप एंड 35 here. समझ आया मिस्टर बेदी?
सर मेरा करेक्ट हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
अब मेरा करेक्ट हो गए दोनों।
यस।
सर मैंने भी मैम को भेज दिया।
एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं।
ये
सर मैंने check ही नहीं किया।
892 डिवाइड बाय 6।
So you forgot to set a timer.
I will set it now. Jimmy Dogfish has become an expert in division. I think the name is suiting you. The name is lucky for you, Jimmy Dogfish.
Sir, I've also done it correct.
Veera the hacker. Veera hacker, I cannot see your face, beta. So Veera hacker, how many marks did you get in your school exam?
How much did I get?
चलो मैं पहले माही से पूछता हूँ। माही, how many marks did you get in your school exam?
Sir, 28.
28. What about you, Kush? Fortnite?
28 out of 30.
out of
28
Yeah?
out of 30.
26 out of 30.
Why so less marks, Kush? Fortnite?
Sir, it was मुश्किल.
मुश्किल. And naughty Veera, what about you?
Sir, ma'am didn't see the mistake. It should be 27 and a half, but ma'am cut the marks and put it 25 and a half.
Oh my goodness.
Ma'am cut the mistake. Papa googled it also, and my answer was only working
Way.
through Meta AI. Still, my
My
answer was working, and ma'am still didn't cut the marks. And
but where did you lose the rest of 2.5 marks?
I don't know.
Because that you have to know. Every mark counts.
Sir, and the timer has done.
But so many kids have not done, so I have to extend the timer.
No, sir. No, sir. Please, it can be Kitsu question.
Sir, I have also done.
Sir, I got
30 on 30.
ओए वेरी गुड अग्गू. कुछ फिर मिस्टेक कर दिया.
मैं टू लिखना भूल गया था.
Sir, I think I have the. Sir, I have the
Still
third.
it's wrong. Show me your work.
Sir, I have the second most kiddos in the whole class.
Sir, I know my mistake now.
So I got 30 and 32.
बेटा लास्ट में आप 52 को डिवाइड किया, क्वेश्चन में लिखना ही भूल गए.
कहाँ पर?
लास्ट में, लास्ट स्टेप में
Don't extend the time.
आपने 52 को डिवाइड किया तो आप लिखना भूल गए.
Okay, two question.
माही, होप, मिस्टर
कितना
बेदी, वेयर इज माय आंसर?
Sir, kids
तो
question.
सर सेंडिंग आना क्या था? लास्ट में क्या आना था?
लास्ट में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. होप जी मुझे एक बार दिखा दो क्या किया है. एंड मिस्टर बेदी, हो माही, सेंड योर आंसर. यस होप दिखाओ. बेटा 50 को डिवाइड तो करो बच्चे. 52 को डिवाइड करना है, 2 को थोड़ी डिवाइड करना है. वही मिस्टेक वापस कर दी. होप
Yes, sir.
लास्ट स्टेप में आपको 52 को डिवाइड करना है. देखो जो रिमाइंडर है ना, रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग.
In the question it was 148 but I wrote 147.
ओके सो होप रिमाइंडर can never be more than the divisor. इस बार क्या है, डिवाइसर क्या है 6, तो रिमाइंडर कभी भी 6 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. लास्ट में 52 आया, आप उसको डिवाइड करना भूल गए. तो
Sir, मैंने 52 को किससे divide
6 ones are 6, 2 remainder, then 9 will fall down. 6 fours are 24, 5 will be my remainder. 5 and 2 makes 52. Now 6 8s are 48. ये आप करना भूल गए, ऊपर 8 लिखना भूल गए. खुश जी
सर वो 8 कैसे आएगा?
बेटा बिकॉज 6 8s are 48 होता है ना,
हाँ.
तो फिर
But
52 को डिवाइड करना है ना आपको. 52 को डिवाइड करोगे तो
Sir,
6 8s are
first I
48
wrote
को यूज
8
करो.
and then I did this again and I got 7. मेरे को क्या पसंद है?
Sir,
आपको 52 को डिवाइड, यस फर्स्ट यू रोट 8 देन यू
मैं
रोट 9.
52 को डिवाइड करना भूल गया था तभी.
यस. अब
Sir,
होप ने क्या किया, केवल 2 को
only.
देख लिया और ऊपर 0 पुट कर दिया है ना होप.
Yes, sir. Like
एंड
it is
मिस्टर बेदी
annotating.
मुझे आपने आंसर भेजा ही नहीं.
सर मेरी रिमाइंडर की कैलकुलेशन तो ठीक थी ना?
But ma'am didn't check it.
मैम प्लीज चेक मिस्टर बेदीज आंसर.
सर मैंने तो क्या किया?
Sir,
52 minus 48 minus 16 minus 12 4.
तो मिस्टर बेदी
Sir?
आपका आंसर यस यस आई एम हियरिंग.
sir, तो काम हमारा रिमाइंडर में फिर भी ठीक हो गया.
अच्छा चलो डू इट दिस क्वेश्चन. मिस्टर बेदी आपका आंसर राइट था कि रॉन्ग था?
Sir, my answer 148 remainder 4.
ओके.
नहीं है. No. No.
Such an easy question. Sent. Obviously correct. Sir, somebody has annotated on the screen. It was Nike and Kia.
Queen Kenya. Queen Kenya is getting.
Sir, last year I went to Kenya.
क्वीन कीनिया बेटा आपको कौन इरिटेट कर रहा था ये बताओ मुझे. Someone was irritating you.
I know.
Or were you getting irritated by yourself?
Sir, I know.
अच्छा, see Kenya. You know I can read faces. जब आपकी forehead lines ऐसी हो जाती है ना, it means ऐसे नहीं करनी चाहिए कभी भी. चलो, do this question. Yeah, everyone has done.
Yes, yes. Answer somebody has annotated on the screen. Please
So,
continue.
6 9s are 54. Very simple question. I gave a very, very simple
यार
question.
मेरे यहाँ
7
तक
will
तो ठीक
fall
था.
down.
मेरे यहाँ तक
6
ठीक था.
1s are 6. So my remainder will be 1.
सर मेरा ठीक है. मेरा ठीक है. मैम को बोलो मेरा हाथ डाल ले. मेरा ठीक है.
आपने टाइपिंग मिस्टेक कर दी होगी बेटा.
How? Sir, somebody is just putting hearts on the screen. Clearly visible. Sir, how many division questions?
Last
Yes,
division
sir.
question, and this
Yeah,
will be
sir.
a division of 4 digit. My goodness.
Sir, how to do 4 digits?
Sir, I
Same
don't
way.
know how to do 4 digits.
Division of a 4 digit number.
Sir, I don't know how to do it.
Same way. Let's see who can do it. Who can take up the challenge?
Sir, I can.
Queen Kenya. Start doing.
Sir, it will be very muskil, very muskil, very muskil.
Nine, 63. So I sent. Sir, I have sent. Oh, I've done it correct. Let's go. No one get it correct now. Only one is possible. Only one can get it correct. Nobody else will get it correct. Mr. Bedi will not have Kiddos Plus. Yay. I think only Kush will get it correct. I think Mahi. Because Mahi has more Kiddos than Kush.
My goodness, Jimmy Dogfish.
Sir, me
Nike
also.
shoes, it's wrong.
Sir, me also. Sir, me also. I also did it correct.
Yes.
Agu also got it wrong. He got full marks in the maths exam. But here he got it wrong.
See, beta, we all can make mistakes. We are humans at the end of the day. But sometimes I am not sure about one person if he or she is a human.
This is a Kidjo question.
Yes, sir. Because it is a 4-digit one. Yes, it is a Kidjo question. And Kush got it wrong.
Sometimes I am confused about Veera. If Naughty Veera is a human or not.
So because I always get it correct. So when you started the class, you thought that Naughty Vida's mom wrote the answers on the wall. Yes, sir.
Yes,
On the ceiling, sir, not on the wall, ceiling.
the ceiling, yes. So Miss Kia and Mahi and Hope, where is my answer?
Sir, I think it will be a Kidzo question. Yay.
Kia, you are on mute.
Oh, Hope got it wrong. Let's go.
Sir, in the last class, you said we will do division for only half an hour.
Yes, beta, but still half an hour is not over.
It is over, sir. 5:33.
So it gets over at 5:35.
Oh, yes, because the class starts at 5:05. Yeah.
Yes. So Mahi and Kia, where is my answer?
Sir, I think it will be a Kidzo question. It's a Kidzo question. 4
Oh,
digits.
very good, Kia cards. Very good. Well done, Kia cards. And I am going to explain now. Time is up. So first of all, 9 8s are 72. My remainder will be 6.
Sir,
4 will fall down.
Sir, 871 is the quotient.
9 7s are 63.
Oh, it will be a Kidzo question. Let's go.
Then 0 will fall down. And then 9 ones are 9. That's it, Peter. Same way. Just we have to do division 3 times in this.
Sir, Kidzo question.
Yes, it's a kids question. So Naughty Vera, Jimmy Dogfish, and Kia Cars, Queen of Kenya, get a Kidzo. Very good. Well done, guys. You have worked hard for this. And Hope, Mahi, Kosh, and Agu. Better luck, and Nike and Mr. Bedi. Better luck next time.
Very bad.
I really don't like division.
I really like division. It is free points.
So next, I'm
Never
going
ever
to
liked division.
practice. We are going to do some English.
Yay! English.
No.
ABCD. Sir,
No,
I have
sir. No,
I have
sir.
done the homework.
No, sir. No, sir.
So guys, see, बहुत ज़्यादा English नहीं करेंगे. We will just do, first of all, we will do 3 questions, 28, 29, 30. Then we will do 2 more questions, but don't get these 3 questions wrong.
Sir, can you give a hint for 29?
No.
Please.
No.
Sir, but 28 should be correct.
Beta.
Percent.
Sir, because in 28,
Beta, I had no discussion right now. So I told you, do them carefully, get the questions right. And guys, ideally, आपको all 3 questions you have to answer in one message.
sir, in 29, can we repeat the digits? Sir,
Yes.
in 29, can we repeat the digits?
In 29, no beta, we cannot repeat. We have to make from these only, these alphabets only. If I will give you a hint now, you will bang your head. You will say, oh, that was so easy.
Sir, can you please give us a hint? Sir,
For 29th question.
it is
No, don't speak, don't speak.
Sir, can you give a hint for the 30th question?
No, 30th में तो बेटा आपके पास ऑलरेडी हिंट है. ये देखो, ये है, ये हिंट ही तो है. इससे आप कर लो.
cannot be found.
29.
29, the hint is Agu. Agu is the hint for 29th.
मतलब?
And Nike shoes don't send to me.
Sir, please
Yes.
give the hint.
I already gave the hint, Agu.
Sir, 28th का I accidentally did cannot be.
Yes, बेटा, तभी तो मैं practice करा रहा हूँ. So that you kids, pay attention to the words. See, Queen of Kenya got all correct.
Sir, Agu is not a hint.
Agu is a very big hint.
Agu is a
Okay.
very big hint. I also know. Just sent the third one.
Yeah.
Fifth one. Sir,
Beta, you guys have to send in one message only.
sir, I sent it alag. And sir, mine is not checking. Why? Why? What? Sir? Sir, is quote a word?
I don't.
Okay.
Right now, I don't know. So, Mahi,
So can I do it again?
no. Mr. Bedi, time is up. Send your answer. And Nike and Kush.
Sir, I have sent.
Give 1 minute, please.
No, beta, no. Time is up now. Mahi and Mr. Bedi.
Sir, I know. Sir, can I send it again?
No, beta, only one chance.
Sir, send it again, the last one.
No. Mr. Mahi. Chalo. Now, guys, reading the question properly
Sir, ma'am is
is very, very important. Mahi, दोबारा भेज दो आप.
Sir?
So, reading the question properly is very, very important. Which of the following words can be formed? यहाँ पे क्या है? Words can be formed. So, V तो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा, ये क्रॉस हो गया. MOK नहीं दिख रहा, तो ये क्रॉस हो गया. Then MENTOR, ये हो सकता है. MENTOR. So, that's the correct word. So we have to read the question properly. Why did you get it wrong, Hope?
Sir,
Sir, it is a kids show question.
Beta, that's why na, you have to see. You have to underline the keywords or keep the keywords
Sir,
in
I
mind.
have also
कि
sent
can है कि can't है, can है कि can't है. Mr. बेदी, आपने ऑर्डर गलत कर दिया होगा. आपको
Sir,
पहले
I've sent
28th का भेजना था, फिर 29th का, फिर 30 का. Yeah, you got it right. Okay, fine. Now,
Sir, is it a
guys.
kids question?
So yes,
Yeah.
it's a Kitso question for Kia and Mahi. They will get a Kitso. Next,
I
below
got
to form a meaningful English word, and I gave you a hint, Agu. And we all know that Agu's sister is a unicorn. Agu's sister is a unicorn.
29 after you gave
So
us.
the hint was Agu, because his sister is a unicorn. So it's animal. All right. Now ये वर्ड जो लास्ट है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ. रोटक, कोरट, टॉर्को. मुझे नो मुझे, मैं ऐसे नहीं करूंगा. मैं, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा. आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज. कुटोर, कुपाटोर, टुकॉर, So what I will do is I will write it. मुझे आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो CUORO, अब समझ में आ गया। CUORT की जगह होगा COURT। अब समझ में आया मुझे कुछ कुछ।
क्वाट बन गया, क्वाट क्वाट।
COURT। So we do it like this. जब word समझ में नहीं आए तो we have to do it like this. Do we understand?
Yes.
So we have to be careful and do these questions properly. Now guys, next question जो है वो बिल्कुल different type का question है. I'll explain.
सर देखते हैं कौन कौन कर लेता है।
नहीं, वो आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा, मुझे समझाना पड़ेगा।
सर देखते हैं, सर एक बारी ट्रायल दे दो सर प्लीज।
बेटा आपको क्वेश्चन समझ ही नहीं आएगा, चलो मैं समझा देता हूँ। तो अब आप मैं समझाने के बाद कर सकते हो। इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दे दूं MOQS। अब गाइस इसमें हाउ इट इज वर्किंग, M के बाद क्या आता है गाइस, N। तो मैंने कितने लेटर स्किप किए, 1। O के बाद क्या आता है, P। मैंने कितने लेटर स्किप किए, 1। R के बाद क्या आता है, Q के बाद इट्स R and I have again skipped 1 letter. So if you find the same combination, suppose I can skip 2 also, MNOP, then इसके बाद मैं एक skip कर देता हूँ R, इसके बाद मैं 0 skip कर देता हूँ S। तो यहाँ पे मैंने कितने skip किए, N and O. How many did I skip? 2.
2
How many I skipped here? Q. 1. How many I skipped here? 0. So the question में जितने लेटर स्किप हो रहे हैं उतने ही ऑप्शंस में होने चाहिए। अंडरस्टूड? अगर इसमें 210 है तो ऑप्शंस में भी 210 होने चाहिए। अगर इसमें 111 है क्वेश्चन में तो ऑप्शंस में भी 111 होने चाहिए। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
So now you can try the 14th question.
So I was already trying, so I did it.
I didn't understood.
So I was
But I
already
will
trying.
understand after this question.
So I was already trying.
And I didn't understand होता है, understood नहीं होता। did के साथ first form आता है। I am teaching you guys English also because Agu's mom told me to.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How many letters do we have to skip?
बेटा that you have to see in the question. जितने क्वेश्चन में स्किप हो, देखो क्वेश्चन इज ACEG, उतने ही ऑप्शंस में स्किप होने चाहिए। तो आपको पहले इंस्पेक्ट करना पड़ेगा इस क्वेश्चन को and then you have to check the options.
How is it possible? AC.
Sir, answer कैसे?
Q R. Sir, send. Q. Oh, can this be a hard question? Sir,
Yes,
can this be a star question?
beta, I will see.
Sir, why will you see? Sir, Kidzo question. Yes, sir, it should be a Kidzo question.
चलो I will explain now. So firstly we have A के बाद C, then E, then G. So how many have I skipped? I have skipped B, that means I have skipped one. How many I have skipped? I have skipped D, that means I have skipped one. How many have I skipped? I have skipped F, that means one. Now I will check the options. P, Q, R, S. इसमें तो कोई skipping ही नहीं है. K, L means one skipped. मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. K के बाद M, O, Q. So
Sir, I
L,
know the
it
answer.
means one skipped. Then N, it means one skipped. Then P, OP, it means one skipped. So it's exactly matching, isn't it? So that's my answer.
Sir,
अब why
I
this is
know.
not correct? इसमें तो U skipped है, UV, इसमें W skipped है, पर XY में कोई भी skip नहीं है.
Sir, my answer was that, but I mistakenly
Why
I
this is wrong?
sent D.
Because इसमें E skipped है, E, F, G. इसमें कोई skip नहीं है. इसमें then H and I two skipped है. So they want the same skipping. जैसी क्वेश्चन में है वैसी ही आंसर में होनी चाहिए.
समझ आ गया मेरे को कैसे करने.
Okay, all right.
Sir,
One
I
more
have
question we
sent
will
that
do of
only,
this
but
type.
mistakenly I sent D.
Okay. So I saw one more question of this type. Yeah, 19th.
Sir, you said this is the last question.
No,
No.
last question from this chapter. So this is the last question. अगर ऐसा कोई नहीं हुआ तो this is the last question from this chapter.
Sir, Saint ma'am is not checking. So ma'am is not checking.
So can you give me a minute?
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, it will be a Kidzo question. Sir, the last question should be a Kidzo question. Yes, sir. It should be a Kidzo question. Khush for night, God sweet, because you always get a crown victory. So, it should be a texting on the side of the. Sir, it should be a Kidzo question. Let's go. Nothing.
Guys, ये क्वेश्चन अगर आप लिख के करोगे ना तो आपका करेक्ट होगा. अगर आप ओरली करोगे you will get it.
Sir, I
तो
didn't.
नाइकी आपने लिख के किया.
क्या क्वेश्चन?
Nike, did you write and do it?
Yes.
Mr. Bedi, did you write and do it?
Yes, sir.
Jimmy Dogfish and Kia, did you write and do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I did the D because there were.
No, I am not asking anything. So Mahi, your answer. Mahi, why are you sending late answers today, beta?
Sir, it should be a Kidzo question.
No, it is not a kid. So question Mahi is disconnected. So let's see. Nike, Mr. Bedi, Jimmy, Kia, let's see. पहले N है. N के बाद Q में कितने letters हैं? So only these four will answer.
Two.
So how many letters are there between N and Q?
Two.
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 Two letters are there. Then we have T.
Two.
How many letters are there between Q and T?
Two.
So R, S. So there will be two again. Two again. So then we have, यहाँ पे कौन से letters होंगे? Let me write the letters. So the skipping is of 2, 2. Skipping कितने की है?
Two.
2, 2. So now I will check the options.
The first.
So between these, how many letters are skipped? Nike, Mr. Bedi, Jimmy Dogfish, Kia. C और F में कितने letters हैं Nike?
Sir, that two.
There are 2 letters. Now Kenya will speak. How many letters are there, Kenya,
सर ने इंग्लिश वाले क्वेश्चन देंगे
between F and I?
इंग्लिश है
Two.
Which ones? बताओ मुझे कौन से हैं?
और इसमें ये तो आ रहा है कि कितने रहते थे
G,
ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन
H.
कॉम्बिनेशन
There
की
will
बात
be
है
2.
ऐसे
Then
तो
again,
इंग्लिश
how many letters are there between I and L?
Two.
2. J and K. See, it is matching 2, 2, 2. यहाँ पे and 2, 2, 2. यहाँ पे. So that's my correct answer. Now Nike, Mr. Bedi, Jimmy and Kia and Mahi. अगर आपने कोई और option भेजा है, I can explain वो answer क्यों नहीं है. Should I explain?
I sent.
सर आई सेंड नेक्स्ट आंसर आई वांट टू check next answer A only
Okay बेटा.
B
Jimmy Dogfish आपको डाउट है किसी और ऑप्शन में?
No, sir, I don't have any problem.
Nike आपको डाउट है? Nike और Kia?
Sir, I have doubt in the D option.
D. चलो D देख लेते हैं हम. बेटा D तो ऑलरेडी दिख ही रहा है ना. S और T में तो कोई गैप ही नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे 0 का गैप है. ओके. W और X में 0 का गैप है. अंडरस्टूड जिम्मी? So kids, this chapter is also over. Well done, kids.
ना मैं
Coding decoding is over. Why?
So have we done these questions?
I don't think so.
Sir, yes, we have done.
Sir, yes, we have done.
Of subtraction?
Sir, we have done.
Yes, sir. We have done.
This we have not done, I am sure.
Yes, sir. We have done.
We have not done this.
So okay, let's do the first question. And which one? One question we'll do. Let's do the first question.
ये थोड़ा मैनेज कर लो ऐसे
तो गाइस इसमें पहले हमें एडिशन करना है, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. वी ऑल नो दैट, है ना? First we will add them, then we'll subtract them, and I won't give you options. And everyone will write it neatly, properly, then do it.
पहले प्लस करना है फिर माइनस
कर
Sir, how to do? Sir, how to do it?
बेटा पहले प्लस करो फिर माइनस करो.
Sir, minus
Plus
किससे
करो।
करना है?
जो आंसर आएगा उसको
माइनस इसमें देखो ना, पूरा क्वेश्चन देखो. 6245 प्लस 2318 माइनस 1045. तो पहले हम प्लस करेंगे फिर माइनस करेंगे.
Okay. Eight. 563.
Cool Jimmy Dogfish has switched off his camera. Yes.
I got it wrong because I sent only when I did first. Can I do it minus and send it
Okay,
again?
yes, beta, you can.
So you forgot to put a timer.
Timer beta इसमें नहीं आता, so I will give you 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, I will solve.
The class is about to end.
Session.
So can we annotate in some minutes or some minutes in the end of the class?
So, what are you saying? After the end of the class, you can annotate this. So, I am doing the question केवल Jimmy Dogfish का नहीं हुआ, so I will give him extra time and I will give you the second question. Second question आप अपने आप read करोगे और solve करोगे. अच्छे से ध्यान देना. Read every word. I will also read for you. When we subtract the sum of 200 and 845 from 1500, the result is, guys, जो language है उस पे ध्यान दो. When we subtract the sum of, तो एक तो मुझे मिल गया sum of this and this, and next point मिला from 1500. Try करो क्या करना है, फिर क्वेश्चन करो.
So it's like 200.
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm not discussing anything. आप खुद समझो और खुद करो. So Mahi beta, don't write such names. I will edit it for now. Ma'am, please edit Mahi's name.
Sir sent. Sir, I got it correct.
Yes, Naughty Veera, you got it correct.
I don't know how did I got it correct. It is such a hard question. Sir,
Yes,
we have to subtract 208.
बेटा मैं अभी कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा. Subtract the sum of this and this. तो पहली चीज तो ये है कि sum of this and this. This is the first thing. Now subtract from this. चलो, I will explain now.
Sir, it is a
First-
question.
No. तो guys, first चीज तो है sum of 200 and 845. तो sum क्या होगा? 200 plus 845. That will be equal to 1045.
1045.
So I can write here 1045. Any doubts in this?
It will be a
Now, then we have to subtract from 1500. तो guys, अगर मैं बोलूँ ना, subtract 20 from 50, तो हम क्या करेंगे? जो from के बाद होता है ना, उसको ऊपर लिखेंगे और -20 कर दूंगा. Remember, whatever is after from के बाद कोई भी होता है, उसे हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? ऊपर लिखते हैं. और उसको वो बन जाता है minuend. This is called minuend. Then this is called subtrahend. And जो मिलता है हमें, that is called the difference. So whatever is written after from becomes the minuend. So 1500 minus 1045. So again this will take a borrow. From this, ये पहले 10 बनेगा, ये 4 बनेगा. Then this
Sir,
will
answer
be 9.
455.
This will become 10. The answer will be 5, 5 and 4. So
Sir,
455.
Sir, if kids a question. So the
Okay,
class.
beta, okay. I will give Kidzo to Naughty Veera and Jimmy Dogfish. Fine.
Yay. So the class is over. Can we annotate?
Yes, you can annotate, but 1 second. Hope आपको समझ में आ गया. Hope, Mahi, Kush, Agu,
Yes, sir.
Nike, Mr. Bedi and Kia समझ आ गया.
Sir, I didn't
Yes, sir.
understand it.
Who did not understand?
No, but
Beta,
Hmm.
don't annotate like this. When I am speaking, don't annotate like this, please.
Sir, can we leave?
Yes, you can leave.
Second question.
Yeah?
Second question.
बेटा सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या समझ नहीं आया? सी, when we subtract the sum of this and this, तो sum हो गया 1045. अब subtract है, subtract किससे है? From 1500. तो मैं 1500 से subtract कर दूंगा.
Sir, can you give the annotate option?
No beta, I am not giving today and you don't interrupt when I am teaching someone. Yes बेटा, कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes.
माही समझ आया?
Sir,
Yes, unmute करके बोलो.
accidentally did not cut 10 in the second zero and I did
Okay,
10 minus 4.
okay. अगू नाइकी समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
All
Sir,
right, kids, that's all for today then. Bye.